everybody, it's King Zoom the Mean Kid. How are you guys all doing? I know I haven't posted a video in a long time, but it is fall and I thought we could make a nice, easy pumpkin pie. All vegan, we have all the ingredients here. There's a bit of a
tree racket kind of noise over there. I do not know what it is, and don't quote me if it is a racket. But yeah, we're gonna make an amazing pumpkin pie, so yeah.
Okay, everybody, our ingredients are, we have some agave, we have some pumpkin puree over there, we have got some 2 blocks, chocolate block of tofu, we have some agave in here, guys, because we put it in there, we've got our gluten-free crusts, and yeah, we've got our spices, and yeah, got our blender, our 2 pumpkins, got them straight from the patch. And everybody, remember to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like this video. I would like you guys so much to subscribe. That would help me so much. So yeah, please subscribe and do all that crap, okay? Okay, everybody, we're gonna whiz it all up in our Vitamix. Yeah, we can put our agave in here. We're gonna put all of it, guys. This is super easy pumpkin pie, so put all of our pumpkin puree in. Good like that. Okay. Might take a long time, don't worry, guys. Got that on video. And we have our tofu, guys. Oh shoot. Which way is it again? Oh, that way. My mistake, everybody. Let's go. Now that we did that, everybody, put that in. Follow me on Instagram,
Twitter, and Facebook.
It's cloves, guys, nutmeg, and cinnamon in that, okay? Okay. Okay, everybody, we have 2 unbaked pie shells here for our pumpkin pie. Okay, guys, we are going to whiz it up. Let's put this on. Ugh. Like my slogan is,
get a guardian and a trained professional to help you in case there's any difficulties, please.
I just had a look at the pumpkin pie. It is gorgeous! It is amazing, guys. So, we're going to put it in our pie shell. Then we're baking in the oven. Ready? Ready? Are you not listening to me? God. Wait, please wait. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna do something, and then this will all be done. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, it's done. It's done. The pies are done. And yeah, we are gonna put these in the oven for about, what is it? What is it? Okay, and guys, you know what? Like, with having raw pumpkin pie, don't worry. Okay, everybody, follow me on. Here's all my stuff here, all my platform. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, do all that. Remember to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and when you turn on post notifications, that will alert
you when I do another upload and all that. Do all that, and yeah, bake for 1 hour. The pie will be ready
in a few minutes. And it's like almost Halloween. It's like 7 days till Halloween and like 10 days till the election. So like everyone, I'm not into politics, okay? So this room, you guys have a great rest of your day, and bye-bye. Everybody, you know what's something every very important task is to not eat animals every holiday, because Halloween is coming up and it would be amazing just to go plant-based all the time for the animals, for your health, for everything. So that's all you really have to do, okay? I'm gonna go finish this, and yeah, see you later. I get hyper when I have pumpkins. Like, I don't really know how to dance, but I get so hyper when I have pumpkins. I'm okay.